Guys. Hang on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. We are going to play Get Cooked. Okay, so we're gonna get cooked. And anyways, guys, this is my first video I ever made. I never made a single video. My brother made so many Forsaken videos. They were so cooked. So let's get started in this game called Get Cooked. Let's just play it. Oh. Or a bread. Or a toast. What are we supposed to do? Ooh, there's a corn, but to upgrade it costs Robux. And you need more cash. How am I supposed to get cash? Well, it's telling me to go down here, so down I go. Oh, I'm going fast. Whoa! If it hits your body parts, you earn money. That's pretty interesting. Shout out to the devs in this game. They probably worked so hard. Dang. Just as you guys know. Oh, you're cooked. Just so you guys know, I am making a game on Roblox. The game will be insane. Trust. You can upgrade flavor. Okay. So do I earn more money for that flavor if I go back down? Oh, I do. Only $2+ $2 from it? That's kind of bad. Oh, if you get stuck, that happens. We're gonna upgrade the carving this time. And we're gonna go back down. Free gifts. Ooh, I'll take that free gift. Let's go. A free cash boost. Go. Ooh, fire. Hit temperature. Cut. Fire. We might get a lot of money. We have 2x cash makers. Bam. Oh my god. Oh, resuming. Oh, I got stuck. Dang it. $62. We can buy the corn now. Yes, sir. We're the corn. Now what do we do? Wait, hatch pet. You need more cash. Well, I'll just go again. Let's go. Okay. I'm sorry if you guys don't see me play Steel Brain anymore. But comment if you want me to play it, because I don't think we play it anymore. Ian doesn't, my friend Ian doesn't like it either, so. Oh! No! I thought what's going on? Why is it taking me to the... That's strange. Oh, I just pressed AFK. That's why I was doing that. I'll just go in one more time and then we can hatch our first egg, I believe. Or just get some more upgrades. I see the pet thing right over here. 100 storage, you can only equip 3 pets and 1x cash multiplier. Not that bad. Let me go to upgrade and upgrade. Boom. Join the group to claim daily chest. Why does it say steak? The YouTuber steak? What? Oh, I think the next one I'm gonna evolve into steak right here. Whatever, I don't know what it is. Carrot. Oh, it's carrot, eh? Playtime was the seasoning spins. Wait, can I hatch a pet? I need more cash. How much cash do you even need? Oh well, I'll just upgrade this flavor one more time. And then we're going back in. 3, 2, 1, and boom. We're going back in. Let's go. Hit. I'm getting hit a lot. Burn. Give me the color ones. Those are the best ones. Let me hit the color. Hit the eggs. No! Dang it. I'm gonna hit any eggs. Oh well. Can I hatch now? Need more cash? How much cash do I need? It doesn't tell you. Guys, say in the comments what I need. What I need to earn a pet. How much cash I need to earn to get pets. Now let's go. Oh, I got hit. Dang it. Burn. Shoot. Oh, I just got sliced by that knife. Makes sense, because there's a lot of knives. Burn. Turbo boost. Boom, and then the chef guessed me. I was cooked. I'm cooked. Now, can you hatch a pet? Need more cash? What? Seasoning spins, why not? I'll buy this carrot. Ooh, this carrot's not bad. Oh, my friend Nathan joined. Oh, let's go. Guys, W Nathan in the comments or chat. Let's go. Nathan is here. Oh my god. You're gonna see a lot of videos about Nathan soon. But anyways, trails. I can buy this blue one, but nothing special. I'll just go. I got pushed. Go! Let me cook. Let me get cooked. I'm cooked. Yeah, I'm so cooked. Go. Yes! Go. Oh, I stopped. That is crazy. I stopped. No. Why? Why did I have to stop? No. Dang it. Come on, let's keep going. Let's go. No, don't stop. Oh, it stopped there. How much do you need to buy a pet, though? Why is there an 100 bar on my thing? free seasoning? Oh, I got salt, but that's a common. Let me roll again. Oh, another salt. Wait, you can do $16 to earn another salt. Earn. Ooh. Paprika. Come on. Pepper. That's a new one. Where do you go to get these? Oh, it's at the top. I see it. It's a cash multiplier. Same for gold. That's interesting. That actually might be good. I'm very excited for my Game Next update. Don't worry, guys. It will be here soon. I think my brother's gonna make his own game. I do not know. We are going to make money from our games, and we got cooked. 179 cash. But we got a free cash boost. 25%, that's kind of good. Not gonna lie. Sorry that I flipped my screen, guys. That was an accident. Sorry I flipped the camera. No, don't get stuck. Keep going. Don't get stuck. That was close. No, we got stuck. Dang it. We got stuck. It is what it is. We're gonna do all these, and why not? No, there was a legendary. There was a curry and golden flakes. Yeah, golden flakes. 2x cash, that costs Robux. Next one is an eggplant. Costs $1,000. We'll try our best, but we need to get our first egg. Come on. Give me multiple monies without stopping. Do not stop. Keep going. Please, come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Keep going. Keep going. Oh my god. We're so close. We're so close. Yes. But that's not enough money. That's terrible money. Open a pet? No. Need more cash? How many cash do we need? And people are trying to friend me. I'm gonna friend this guy and that guy, in case they want to friend me. Guys, if you want to friend me on Roblox, my name is Mason54393. Just reminding you that. Mason54393 if you want to friend me. Oh no, we got stuck. Dang it. At least we made $100. We can't hatch. When are we gonna hatch this pet? It doesn't tell you. This is the time played. Oh my god, he played for so long. We need to get up there. What? How much cash? This guy is rich. This guy has infinity amount of cash. I want to get there. Bro is too rich. I'm so poor. I'm so close. I'm so close to like 0. 100 is not that much. But I'll take it. Come on. Let's go. Keep going. I know, guys. I am gonna miss Steel. It's a very popular game, but had to say goodbye to the game. I was cooked and boom, easy. Yes, sir, we're back to the start and why can't we buy another egg? What is that? Oh well, we'll just go and hit 1,000 and see if we can roll an egg. I don't know. Let's just keep going. Guys, I'll respond when we get to $1,000. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Guys, one more thing. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button. We need to hit 100,000 subscribers. So do it now. Anyways, continuing on, not talking. Okay, guys, we reached 1,000. Can we roll? Oh, we can! Oh, but I got a broccoli. It costs 1,000 to roll then? That's pretty nice. I'll just go again. Boom, boom, boom. 3. Oh, 3 loads of cash. Let's go. Let's go make that cash. Oh, let's go. 132. That's kind of mid. I'm not gonna lie. Let's upgrade our flavor. And then go back. Let's go. And anyways, we're gonna get the new one. We're gonna get the new vegetable. What is it again? I have to check after this. I'm not gonna talk until we get to 1,000 again. guys, we made it to 1,000. Let's go. We got the eggplant. Mid. Oh my god, that's good. Why do I look like that though? Oh well, we're just gonna go in and can I buy any more? 250? Okay, I can reach that. Let's go. Oh, we made it. And also we're gonna upgrade this and this. We'll upgrade the temperature for later, but let's just go again. Yeah, let's go again. We're going to upgrade the temperature because it's kind of bad. Look at that, $3+, $3, really? Let's go. Keep bouncing. Oh, we almost fell right there. No. Oh, that was close. 224. That is huge. That is huge. W. Oh, we can buy this. Oh my god, we got level ups to our temperature. I'm dumb. Why? We couldn't have just did that. Really? Oh well, we're just gonna buy this flavor. Lexo level 5. Yes, sir. And also, this game is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. And did I just flip my screen? Okay, comment if I flipped my screen, but we're gonna do 2 more jumps and then we'll see what he can buy and then leave the game. We are going to end the video right there. Anyways, no talking. Let's just do 2 more. Okay guys, that one didn't count because I didn't reach the end and I really wanted to get more money than that, so let's try again. Oh, that's not bad. But we stopped again, so it doesn't count. Dang it. Why do we keep on stopping? Fine, this is the last time. If I stop, then I'll just have to leave it like that. 3, 2, 1, go. not stop. Keep going. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna say this game is pretty mid. Not gonna lie. Oh, you got a carrot. That's trash, but I'll take it. Wait, carrot's better than the broccoli, and I turned my screen. How is carrot worse than broccoli? Look, they have to fix. Okay, if you're watching this, you need to fix the carrot and the broccoli. Look, the carrot is better than the broccoli. You need to make the carrots a 45 and the broccoli 50%. They really need to fix that. Anyways, we are going to go.